Your phone is about to become a thing of the past. Not in 10 years, not in 5. Right now, today. In 2026, a new wave of smart glasses has arrived, and these things are genuinely insane. We're talking AI that whispers answers in your ear before you even ask. A 171-inch cinema screen that fits in your jacket pocket. Full spatial computers you wear on your nose. I went through 7 of the most jaw-dropping pairs on the market right now. Some are affordable, some will break your brain. One of them has a feature that no other glasses on Earth have. Stay till number 5. That one personally got me. Let's go. Number 1. XREAL One Pro. What if you threw away your TV, your monitor, your entire setup, and replaced it all with a pair of glasses? Put the XREAL One Pro on, and floating right in front of you is a 171-inch screen, bigger than most movie theaters. Crystal clear, butter smooth at 120 Hz, and here's the thing that makes this actually work where others fail. XREAL built their own chip inside these glasses, the X1 chip. So when you move your head, the screen moves with you, instantly. 3 milliseconds, no lag, no drift. Just a giant screen that feels like it's physically there. One cable to your phone, MacBook, Steam Deck, whatever, and suddenly you've got the biggest screen in the room. On a plane, at a cafe, doesn't matter. Bose tuned speakers built in, 3D mode with one tap, and it fits almost any face. Wired called it the best smart glasses you can buy right now, and honestly, at $649 considering what you're getting, I think they're right. The only catch, if you want the full 6-DoF spatial anchoring, the XREAL Eye accessory is another $99 on top. Small print, worth knowing. Number 2. INAIR 2 Pro. Now we go next level. What if your entire office, 6 screens, every app, your whole workflow fit on your face? The INAIR 2 Pro isn't just AR glasses, it's a full spatial computer. Put them on and you get a 135-inch micro OLED screen at 120 Hz. But the part that drops jaws is this: 6 windows open at once, all floating around you in 3D. Email here, browser there, spreadsheet next to it, YouTube in the corner, all at the same time. No desk, no cables strung everywhere. The secret is the INAIR Pod, a pocket-sized device running full Android on a flagship Qualcomm chip with 8 gigs of RAM. It's basically a laptop you can hold in one hand, and through a feature called Wakey, you can remote stream your full desktop from anywhere in the world. One swipe on the temple adjusts the electrochromic lenses for bright sun or full immersion. Works with iPhones, Macs, Steam Decks, anything USB-C. Real talk on the price though. $679 just for the glasses is solid, but the full Elite Suite climbs to $1,099. Worth it for the right person, but that person is a power user who lives in their screens. If that's you, nothing else comes close. If you just want to watch Netflix on a big screen, the XREAL at $649 is a smarter buy. Number 3. Charge Lumos. What if your glasses could think? Not just record, not just translate, actually think in real time about everything you're looking at. Charge, the charger company, took their obsession with battery life and built it into a pair of AI glasses powered by GPT 4.0, the real thing. Walking through Tokyo, Lumos whispers a live translation before you finish reading the sign. See something you don't recognize? Point and ask. A plant, a menu, a random page of text. It tells you instantly. The 16-megapixel Sony sensor shoots 4K photos and 1080p video from your exact POV, hands-free. And the battery story is where Charge absolutely demolishes the competition. The neckband packs 6,500 milliamp hours, over 40 hours of AI assistance. Nobody else is doing this, not even close. The one thing to know, everything is audio-based. No display, no screen. It's all happening in your ear. and 4K video is capped at 5-minute clips due to storage limits. But at $299 with GPT 4.0 built in and 40-hour battery life, this is insane value, especially for travelers. Number 4. Meta Ray-Ban display. Meta has sold over 7 million pairs of Ray-Ban smart glasses, and they just released the version that changes everything, the Meta Ray-Ban display. First consumer smart glasses with a full-color screen built directly into the lens, and they still look like Ray-Bans. The display hits 5,000 nits. You can stand in direct sunlight and see every pixel. Directions, messages, live captions, live translation, all floating at the edge of your vision, never blocking what's in front of you. But the control method is what breaks people's brains. No topping, no swiping, the Meta Neural Band, a slim wristband that reads your muscle signals. Scroll with a micro thumb movement, click with a finger twitch. It sounds gimmicky. Reviewers said it hits 80% accuracy in the first 5 minutes. It works. The Verge called it the best smart glasses they've ever tested. Tom's Guide said it feels like the future. That's the good news. The honest news, battery is 6 hours. Heavy users will hit that ceiling fast. Some software reliability issues at launch. There was a live demo where Zuckerberg couldn't answer a call on stage. At $799, it's the priciest non-AR headset here and requires the Neural Band to use the display. But the combination of Ray-Ban design, a real HUD, and the Neural Band, nothing else is doing all three. Number 5. Halliday AI glasses. These look like normal glasses. Retro frames, matte block, nothing special from the outside. Inside is something called the Digi Window, a 3.6mm near-eye display module that beams a private screen directly into your vision, flowing in the upper right corner of your world. Only you can see it. The person sitting across from you, they see nothing. Directions, messages, live translation in 40+ languages, meeting notes, conversation reminders, all invisible, all silent. And here's the part that genuinely got me. The AI doesn't wait for you to ask. It listens, it thinks, and it quietly surfaces exactly what you need before you realize you need it. It's like having a cheat code for real life, running silently 24/7. You control it with a smart ring, a top in your pocket. Nobody notices, nobody knows. 28.5 grams, lighter than most sunglasses you own. 12 hours of battery. No camera, which is actually a selling point for a lot of people. Here's the honest part though. The Digi Window sits high in the frame, so to see it, you have to look up sharply, and people you're talking to will notice your eyes going upward repeatedly. The display position works better for some face types than others, and after your free credits run out, heavy AI use has an ongoing cost. The concept is ahead of everything else on this list. The execution still needs polish, but no other glasses are doing what this does. Number 6. Rokid glasses. Imagine landing in Tokyo. No idea what anyone's saying. Signs you can't read, menus that might as well be art. Now imagine none of that matters. The Rokid glasses are your translator, tour guide, and camera, all in 49 grams. Live subtitles appear on your lens from the conversation happening around you. 89 languages. Point at a sign, translated instantly. Need directions? AR arrows overlaid directly on the street, guiding every turn. No phone out, no fumbling with apps. The 12-megapixel camera shoots 4K video from your exact POV. Micro LED display at 1500 nits, visible in direct sunlight. And the charging case gives you 10 full recharges, days of use without looking for an outlet. For $299, this is the best value on this list, full stop. The build feels slightly less premium than the Ray-Ban Meta, and there's no video calling support. But for travel, for language barriers, for just exploring a new city hands-free, nothing on this list touches Rokid at this price.
Number 7. Snap Spectacles. Everything else on this list has a screen, or AI, or a big display. The Snap Spectacles have all of that, and then they break reality. Put these on and a virtual world layers itself directly over the real one. Digital objects that look like they're sitting in your physical space. Move toward them, they stay. Step around them, they hold position. Grab them with your bare hands. No controllers, no remotes, just your fingers doing what they naturally do. 13 milliseconds of latency, faster than your brain processes vision, so the digital world doesn't jitter, it doesn't lag, it's just there. OpenAI built in, shared AR with other spectacles wearers, a platform with 400,000 developers and 4 million lenses already built. Now, the real talk. This is developer only right now. $99 a month, 12-month minimum. Battery is 45 minutes per charge. That's not a typo. They weigh 226 grams, nearly 5 times heavier than the Halliday, and there's no consumer version yet. But the consumer specs are launching in 2026. Lighter, smaller, built for real people. I included this one because when you try it, even for 45 minutes, you understand what the next decade of computing looks like. This is the end game. We're just early. 7 glasses, 7 different visions of what comes after the phone. Here's the fast version. Best display experience, XREAL 1 Pro. Best productivity setup, INAIR 2 Pro. Best for travel and AI on a budget, Charge Lumos. Most polished product from the biggest brand, Meta Ray-Ban display. Most unique concept on Earth, Halliday. Best value under $300, Rokid. And the best glimpse of the future, Snap Spectacles. All links are in the description. Drop a comment. Which one would you actually wear every day? I'm genuinely curious. The phone had its run. It's glasses now. See you in the next one.